Hey everybody, Mercedes Diesel Guy here, just taking a very quick video this morning post-hurricane. You can see right here this tree that fell and it's crushing the Volvo. I really dodged a bullet. The parking spot next to the Volvo is mine, and if I'd been parked there over the weekend, it would have been one totaled Subaru. So, feel really, really bad for the guy with the totaled Volvo. I mean, that car is crushed. I can't cross the line here, so looks like I'm going to have to get emergency parking at my office until they clear this tree out. So, that's awful. I feel bad for the guy. So, that's all for now. And hopefully I'll be able to park here starting tomorrow.